Good morning, guys. Um, we want to be looking at this week outlook, and normally, if you want to start analyzing the market, we start from the DXY, right? And this is our DXY right here. I want to be looking at the higher time frame because that's the higher time frame has more influence in price. So we're going to the daily. Yes, yes. So this is the daily, right? No, this is 15 minutes. Or just put 1 day. Sorry, 1 day. And if you could zoom out clearly, what are you seeing here? Right now in a situation like this, let me take out everything. Right now in a situation like this, we want to apply our trend line. Now, based on observation, what I see here, we've gotten a breakout of the trend line. So what are we going to do next? We find a zone or we make use of the Fibonacci, which means retracement tool. So if we could plot our Fibonacci retracement tool now, from our high to our low, where are the key zones in the Fibonacci? Is your 0.5 and your 0.2. So number one, we have this zone over here where we are going to be watching out, which will be like our TP1. Remember, we're not trading this DXY, we are using it for analysis. So here will be like our TP1. Let's make it a bit smaller, because I'm making it smaller because this is a higher time frame. And we cannot make our execution here because it's a higher time frame, right? It's only those commodity traders and those swing traders who can execute from the daily time frame. So right now, what are we going to do next? We've gotten our TP1, and here's our TP2. Our TP2 will be the fib level, which is 0.5. This will be our TP2, right? So we can stick to this TP2 again. We can stick to this TP2 because it will yield a good profit, right? So now let's take out our fib. Let's take out the fib. Okay. So now what are we going to do? We are going to come down to the lower time frame, 4 hours. If you come down to this lower time frame now, you already know what these lines signify, guys. Our TP1 and TP2, right? Okay. So now what are we going to do? We are going to come and find our entry. We are going to come and find our entry. This is the DXY, and I'm analyzing this DXY. What are you going to do? You are supposed to go and oppose this DXY in order. Okay, now if I analyze this DXY that is going to go up or is going to appreciate in price, what are you going to do? You are going to go to something like Euro currency pairs like Euro USD or GBP USD to sell, right? So I'll just finish my analysis here and maybe look into gold or BTC also. So right now, to find our entry now, we must come down to this is the 4 hours. The 4 hours is actually nice, but we have to break down to the 1 hour as well to see clearly if there's a zone, if there's a particular place we need to enter. But the 4 hours is actually telling us that we can enter from where the market is currently now. So all these zones I'm seeing are for field price range. Let's start with each swing. So if we could place our fee from this previous swing up to the, you can see it's an unfulfilled range, right? Over here too is an unfulfilled range. Over here too is an unfulfilled range. So what are we going to do in this scenario? Since we know that we have an unfulfilled range in the 1 hour time frame, we can see a gap here. This gap is called vacuum block. But you know that one, vacuum. You see, okay? No, now one I've been saying vacuum block. I don't know whether I don't get that one. So this gap is called vacuum block. So we are going to spot this. We are going to spot the block because what this 1 hour is telling us that the market will still drop before it start going up, right? The 1 hour is telling us the market will still drop before it start going up. That means DXY we are looking for DXY to drop down to this zone. We are looking for DXY to drop down to this zone. Then we can enter for a sell on once DSY. Guys, you can notice this DSY. Once DSY get to this zone, you can enter for a sell on currency pairs like euro. I advise you guys to go to make use of the euro USD. Okay, you guys should trade the euro USD. So this is our TP1. Let me make it a bit bigger. This is our TP1 and the TP2 is pretty huge and large. If this trade play out as analyzed, then that would be nice for everyone. TP2. Okay. So these are TP1 and TP2. So guys, what you want to do, you have to oppose this market. When the market drop down to this red zone, what are you going to do? Go to Euro USD and sell that currency pairs. You'll be using this DSY to monitor it. Once you see DSY get to that TP2, then you can close the sell on Euro USD and take your profit. Okay. So let's look into BTC USD. I'm on trade on this. I'm on a buy level on this BTC USD. Analyze the market. Sorry. Analyze the market, and I want to. You can see I'm having this TP1 here, and I'm having this TP1 here, and this is my TP2. So, but right now, currently, I'm showing this signal for BTC to move from this level to this level. So let me come to 15 minutes. I've analyzed the market already. This is TP2 where I'm looking BTC to. That is my drawn liquidity where I'm looking BTC to go next. You understand? This is my TP2, and why this one down here is my TP1. TP1. Well, let me make it a bit smaller. It is too small. Let's do 12. Okay, let's zoom in so we can see if the trade I took already we are in profit or is still ranging. Okay, it's still ranging within our entering zone. So this trend line, guys, this trend line that you see this trend line right here, once I get a breakout of this trend line, then automatically the market will go our favor. And if you can see, the market has broken the trend line already. So we are looking to see BTC get up to this TP1, right? So that is it. Let me screenshot it and forward it. Okay, I know most of you will be like, what about gold? What about gold? What about gold? Let me dive into gold and let's see what the market has been doing, what the market is doing currently. Okay, I've analyzed gold already. Gold wanted to trick me this morning, but based on experience, I told her that I've seen something like this before. So I actually entered for a sell this morning, but I was able to close the market on a small loss because I noticed this red line you are seeing here is our Fibonacci, is our 0.6 level on the Fibonacci. So I noticed if gold should drop, it will not drop to my expectation. It will definitely go up because whenever the market break the 0.5 level, it's going break the 0.5 level and come in between the 0.6 and 0.5, it will drop. Then when it drop, then what are we going to see next? We are going to see a rapid movement up to where? To our 0.6. So if you notice, I'm having this my risk to reward here, waiting for it to come to the 0.6 level, and I'll enter for a sell up onto this level, 399, 3000, 3999. So anyhow, me I know say I don't make profit. I don't give a fuck about the price. So that is it, guys. So that is my outlook on gold. This will be my first long video ever. Okay. So on how this result plays, I'm going to screenshot it and send it to you guys. Yeah. So it's your favorite trader with Forex. Salam.